Hi, I want to show you how to switch between Gemini and Google Assistant on Google Pixel 9a. The first way is to open Gemini app. So find it in your apps list, open up, then tap on profile icon in the top right corner, and here choose option to switch to Google Assistant. And after that, you need to tap Google Assistant and tap Switch. You can skip this part and just switch to Google Assistant. Now you can trigger it by holding your power button or by saying "Hey Google," but in that case, it won't appear on the bottom like you used to see it. It will appear as a little microphone in the top right corner. Let me show you. Hey Google, and this microphone appears, so you can just ask Google something and it will give you the results. Now, the next way is to go in settings, tap on search settings and enter Gemini settings. Now I'm gonna just set it up. You should see this type of screen, and from here you need to swipe down, choose Digital Assistants from Google, and switch from Gemini to Google Assistant, then click Switch, and here just click Submit. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.